All right, shorter stream checking in from Hilton Head National RV Resort. What I want to do really quick is show you how to make a New York bacon egg sandwich, authentic style. Check it out. We're starting off with nice New York bacon egg sandwich. And the only way to do that is to have a nice thin bacon on the grill. This is, I forget what kind of bacon this was, but it was regular cut. All right, it's regular cut, so when you put it on the egg sandwich, it just flakes, it crunches. If you get a thin, flaky bacon and just pile it on, and it's so easy to bite through, oh, it's amazing. This is probably a little thicker than it should be, but this is the thinnest cut I could find. This usually works out pretty good. Got this from Ellis Meat Market in Statesboro. They're amazing. If you're ever in the area, check them out. They got great meat, steaks, everything, but they got this good bacon there too. We got the crazy camping Corgi in the house. He's smelling the bacon. A handsome fella. Second step in a good New York egg sandwich, get a roll that's most similar to a Kaiser roll in New York. What we do is butter them a little bit, and then I put them on the grill, just brown them a little bit, and then take them off. All right, so that's perfect. This is when you want to take them off. Just a little bit, not too much, nice and soft, a little buttery. And of course, don't forget your McCafe coffee on hand, as usual. All right, for me, I like over medium eggs, so I put 2 eggs on it. I got 2 extra eggs there for me on a plate. What I'll do is I'll put those 2 back eggs on, let them cook a little bit just like this. I'll flip them, crack the yolk, let it cook just a little bit more because you want it to be runny on the roll. All right, this egg is ready to come off. It's looking perfect. A little wet. That one's coming off next. Layer my cheese in here so it's right in between the eggs. Get that other egg on here. I like a lot of pepper. Then we put some bacon on. This nice, crispy, thin bacon. And that's usually good. All right, put my top on. Oh, the bottom, I had it backwards. Let's do a quick cut. All right, this is how a bacon egg sandwich should look. Perfect. Click like. If you like this, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching.